Good morning. My name is Dr. Sukhen Samanto. I am DM Critical Care Specialist. I have completed my MD from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Research and Education, Chandigarh, and after that, I have done my DM from SGPJ Lucknow, the premier institute in India. So now I attach to the Mission Hospital as a consultant critical care specialist. Mission Hospital critical care department is one of the big department in the eastern India. We deal with lot of medical and surgical cases, especially we have lot of trauma patients, trauma related to orthopedics, neurosurgery, cardiothoracics and general surgery. Patients who are critically ill. Critically ill means the patient who have at least one organ failure, patient who needs special care in a specialized area. So for this kind of patient, we need a special treatment and special area. So we consider golden hours is, for particularly in trauma patient, we consider the early first 6 hours is the golden periods, and we have a lot of good staff with a good teamwork to manage this kind of trauma patients, especially neurosurgical patients and orthopedic patients. Patient who is in shock, how we manage the patients? We manage the patients with ABC approach, and we have a good monitoring systems, and we have a bedside ultrasound. With the help of ultrasound, we are doing lot of bedside ultrasound head to toe examinations, and we detecting the pathophysiological changes very early, and our team is dedicated with these critical patients. A lot of patients of sepsis and septic shock, and as you know that sepsis and septic shock patients, they have a high morbidity and mortality. So we need very early intervention in the form of resuscitation, intervention in the form of early use of antibiotics and source controls. So for that, what we are doing, we are more giving stress on early detections with the help of radiology and bedside ultrasound. We are using within 1 hour the appropriate empirical antibiotics therapy, and before that we are sending the appropriate cultures. And the most important part is the monitoring. We have a good monitoring systems, and we have a nursing staff 1:1, and we are managing hard for these patients, because we have to treat very hard and we have to test fast. Sure, previously in 80s or 90s there is a lot of death from sepsis, because that time there was no as such sepsis guidelines. Now the new sepsis guideline has come, and we are managing the sepsis according to the surviving sepsis guideline, and we follow the evidence-based practice. As latest 2016 December, the way the sepsis patient is managed throughout the globe in a westernized fashions, we are managing the same way. Sepsis, as I told, that sepsis is one of the major cause of mortality. So sepsis can be from different sources. As the industrial city Durgapur and this West Bengal, a lot of patients will come with lung infections and other bloodstream and tropical fever. So what is more important is early detections of sepsis. If you are suffering from any kinds of fever, my suggestion is that you should go to visit some doctors, so that they can early detect this is early part of sepsis, and so that if the patient, if there is some organ involvement, they can shift out to the patient there. We have a good critical care facility.